Hi guys, welcome back to another one of our episodes on our channel. Today we're going to Williamstown. So we're gonna catch some new adventures and see what we can find. Now that we're going into the entrance, there's a beach there and there's gonna be some good stuff in here. Over here, it should be called finger plants because they look like fingers. They look finger plants.
Maybe it is called finger plant.
Oh, feel that! That is sparky.
Another one of those spiky trees. Yeah.
Where'd they come
Now
from? Which
that
bag?
we're having lunch, we've got lots on the menu.
Now I know which one was leaking.
Cheese things, square things.
So Julie's brought us a small picnic, hasn't she?
Very small.
Grandma has.
Where's Mac going? He's not going to eat. He's just going to walk.
Did you pack anything, Jeff?
Only myself.
After the sandwiches, we're gonna go to the beach. So guys, we bought a coffee. My dad going to do, he finished his all the way on the other side of the beach. We have to walk, and it's like cream flavored. It's really creamy, delicious, and like so soft in your mouth.
No, but I went yesterday.
And the fact that it like goes through your gaps on the teeth just feels so creamy and
Definitely
delicious.
over triple strength coffees.
Dad, can I get it? Hot chocolate. So guys, after my coffee, me and my dad decided to go to the
Want to come and fly the drone?
yeah. And fly the drone. I want to fly the drone. So guys, my dad said there's gonna be like lots of little crabs under there. Oh, if you guys could keep your feet on this, feels so nice. Oh, nearly died. Just we nearly slipped into this. So guys, I flipped the rock over and caught this crab. It sort of looks like a mangrove tree crab. See those spiky feet? See how pointy they are? Oh, that actually tickled. It felt like jelly. Rocks are very, very peppery. So you've got to be golden season. Some golden season. Centipede, like an underwater centipede walking, and it was rainbow. As I pick up this thing, it doesn't
That's good.
That means that I'm growing up and I'm just a big girl. That means I'm a big girl. That means I'm a big girl.
Can you explain to us what you've got here? What is this? What is it, Kelly? How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yep.
Now we're done. Can you carry?
Yeah, sure.
Also, guys, I just found it in a lobster museum because it has this color shell. So it's a lobster snail. They're moving! Oh,
Yeah, they are alive, Kelly.
oh yeah, I picked alive sea snails.
Scared, buddy.
What's that, Liara?
Giant sea snail which has a shell snap.
That's the part of the sea snail.
Whoops. Now we're going to the cafe and yeah.
They don't survive outside of watercolor.
Hey Dad,
Yeah?
did you know crab armor is actually really strong? It's actually like 60 or 50 times the strength of your skin. I don't even think a knife can do it, but it can scratch it. That's not really going to prove anything.
No.
It's not going to break the bone. It's actually built so when it falls down and rocks and stuff, it doesn't get hurt. And so when they fight over territory, they use their pincers, and their pincers are armored. So armored means they have really thick skin that can like really inflict some damage, like killer pincers, like scorpions, but they don't have stingers. Oh yeah, and crabs also have spiky feet, what they wrap around. I will get ice cream.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good girl.
Don't buy me any
Hey, what's your
Sunday.
daddy boy?
You feel that sick, do you?
Strawberry.
Bye tomorrow.
I'm really hot. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Bye. You know what would be funny if I'm standing in the road and like woke up. So that's the end of the video, guys. So today we're just gonna go. Then we'll also subscribe to my next channel. And so my birthday. And him on my birthday, and then we'll just leave my birthday.
It's not your birthday for a while, Kelly.
And then we'll just leave my birthday. So bye, guys.